What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Genesis G90 Smart Key Remote Fob. This Genesis G90 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the key fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that, and we can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, the end that key just came out of, we see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. What I'm going to do is stick the screwdriver in that notch like this. Make sure it's all the way pushed in, then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it pops this back cover up. Go ahead and pull that back cover off, and then we can see our battery right here. I'll just use the screwdriver to carefully push this battery out of the holder, get it started, and then slide it the rest of the way out like that. After we get the old battery out, we'll grab our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. Go ahead and slide that into that holder like that. And then we can snap this back cover on. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.